Hello, welcome back to Tim's Time. We're going to be doing a second Rubik's Cube solve video today. We'll do this video, we'll solve the cube. Last video took about 2 minutes. I'm doing the most basic method of solving the cube. Once I solve the cube, I'll actually start a series of how-to videos doing the steps, breaking them down, showing you guys how to actually solve the cube. So we're going to start now, and we'll see how long it takes me to solve this cube. One. Done, 1:35. Alright, 1 minute, 35 seconds, cube solved. Like I said, I'll be starting a series of videos that will show how you solve the cube. Basically, we're going to start with the white side. Then we're actually going to build all 4 of these sides up. Then we're going to do the top. Then we're going to come back and do that row last. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, like and subscribe.